Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to write a formal complaint letter for IELTS General Writing Task 1. Our topic is a delayed and uncomfortable bus journey. So let's read the question. You recently took a bus for a long journey, but it was very late and uncomfortable. Write a letter to the transport company. In your letter, explain the situation, describe the problems you faced, suggest what the company should to be improved. Write at least 150 words. I will explain the structure, language and tips for the high score. Let's see the step-by-step structure of letter writing. Step 1. Greeting. Always start formally. Write Dear Sir or Madam. You're writing to a company, so keep it polite and professional. Step 2. Introduction. State the reason for writing. Like, I am writing to complain about my recent bus journey on 15th September. Mention the date and route for clarity. Step 3. Describe the problem. List the issue clearly. You may include the following points. Bus departed 2 hours late. Air conditioning was not working. Seats were damaged and dirty. Staff did not respond to complaints. Use linking words additionally, furthermore, moreover, to organize your points. Step 4. Explain the impact. Here you have to explain why you were upset during the journey. Like, this journey caused significant inconvenience and stress. This shows the examiner your ability to explain consequences. Step 5. Suggest action. Politely ask what should be done, like partial refund, improve bus maintenance and punctuality. Phrases like I could appreciate or I request that keep it formal and polite. And step 6. Closing. End the letter professionally, your faithfully, and your name. Next, tips for high score. Keep a formal and polite tone. Use clear paragraphing like introduction, problems, impact, suggestion, and closing. Include specific details like dates, places, events. Stay above 150 words. Let's see a sample answer. Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing to complain about my recent bus journey on 15th September from Hyderabad to Bangalore. I had chosen your service because of its reputation for punctuality and comfort, but unfortunately, my experience was highly disappointing. The bus departed 2 hours late, causing me to miss an important appointment. Additionally, the air conditioning was not functioning, making the journey extremely uncomfortable in the hot weather. The seats were also damaged and dirty, and the staff did not respond to passengers' complaints efficiently. This experience caused significant inconvenience and stress. I believed such issues reflect poorly on your company's service standards and should be addressed urgently. I could appreciate a partially refund for the ticket and request that your buses be better maintained and punctual in the future. Your faithfully, Sangam Kanna Yadav. IELTS General Writing Task 2. Let's read the question. Some people believe that government should spend more money on public transportation, while others think that money should be spent on building new roads. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Write at least 250 words. First, let's discuss the steps. Step 1. Introduction. First, you need to introduce the topic and paraphrase the question. You can say, there is an ongoing debate about whether government should invest more in public transportation or focus on constructing new roads. And the next step 2, discussing public transportation. Here, you should explain why people support public transportation. It may include the following points. reduce traffic congestion, environmentally friendly, affordable for low income citizens. You can give examples like Tokyo or London, which have efficient public transport systems. The next step, discussing new roads. Then discuss the second view, building new roads. Mention benefits, reduces traffic bottleneck in certain areas, improves connectivity and trade, create jobs in construction. And the next step is your opinion. Always include your opinion. You might say, in my opinion, while roads are important, investing in public transport is more beneficial for long term sustainability. The next step is conclusion. Finally, summarize both views and restate your opinion briefly. Let's see a sample answer. Here is an ongoing debate about whether government should invest more in public transportation or focus on constructing new roads. Both sides present valid arguments, and in this essay, I will discuss both perspectives before giving my opinion. On one hand, proponents of public transportation argue that investing in buses, trains, and metro systems have numerous benefits. Firstly, it reduces traffic congestion as more people are encouraged to share transport rather than private vehicles. Secondly, public transport is environmentally friendly, helping to decrease carbon emission and combat climate change. Hence, cities like Tokyo and London have highly efficient public transport networks that significantly reduce car dependency and pollution levels. Moreover, improving public transportation provides affordable travel options for low income citizens, contributing to social equality. On the other hand, some people believe that government should allocate funds to build new roads. They argue that expanding the road network can ease traffic bottleneck and improve connectivity between cities and towns. For example, in countries with rapidly growing populations, additionally roads may reduce travel time and boost economic activities by facilitating smoother transportation of goods and services. Furthermore, road development can create employment opportunities in construction and infrastructure sectors. In my opinion, while building new roads is important in certain regions, investing in public transportation should be prioritized. Public transport systems provide long-term benefits including sustainability, cost effectiveness, and reduce environmental impact which outweigh the short term advantage of spending roads. A balanced approach should a balanced approach could involve upgrading existing roads while simultaneously developing efficient public transport networks. In conclusion, both public transport and road construction have advantage. However, for sustainable urban development, government spending should lean more towards improving public transportation. Thanks for watching video and follow for us more videos.